Research questions find our research problem. Research questions are related with type of your research and research problem. So you have to choose appropriate research topic. Your research topic should be of your interest area. You have to go through literature review from where you can find out the research gap. Your research topic should be very specific and concise. For example, if you have selected the research topic, impact of total quality management on customer satisfaction and retention. So here how you will develop research questions. The first research question can be, what is the impact of total quality management on customer satisfaction and retention? The second question you can develop, how total quality management impact customer satisfaction and customer retention. Now here the question arises, how you can check that your research questions are good or bad. The first thing you have to remember is it should be researchable. If you can find answers easily from primary and secondary data, it means your research question is researchable. Secondly, your research questions should be feasible. If you find the required data easily to solve your research question, then you can say it feasible research question. It should be specific. Your research question should target some specific area. For example, in the impact of total quality management on customer satisfaction and retention, here you have targeted the customer satisfaction and retention. Your research question should be complex. It should not be in the form of yes or no. It should be complex enough to describe your research problem. The fifth thing you have to remember while writing research question is that your research question should be relevant to your interest area and society.